This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView with Tradovate. First, log into your Tradovate account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. Once logged in, navigate to the Add-ons or Integrations section, usually found in your account settings. From there, select TradingView and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between your two platforms. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration. After connecting, it's important to verify your setup. Ensure your Tradovate account is funded if you plan on live trading. Next, within TradingView, check that the real-time data feed from Tradovate is active. You should see live market data flowing. Finally, take some time to customize your charts, add your preferred indicators, and set up your workspace for optimal trading. With your platforms linked, you can now place trades directly from TradingView. Look for the Tradovate trading panel, usually located on the side of your chart. From this panel, you can select your desired instrument, choose your order type, like market, limit, or stop, and specify the quantity. Always double-check all order details, including price and size, before confirming your trade. To maximize your trading experience, explore advanced order types available through Tradovate on TradingView, like OCO or bracket orders, which can help manage risk. Also, dive into TradingView's vast array of charting tools, drawing instruments, and the active trading community for new ideas. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.